So, have your mom and dad, ever tell you that, you can't get something because you're not old enough? Or, so say, you tell your mom and dad you want a phone. So, you tell your mom and dad you want a phone, and they say, no, it's not time. So, don't get mad at them, because that they were following what God in God's footprints. See, so do you know how your mom and dad go out with you when it's snowing? And then so the first person that goes out in the snow makes the first footprints, right? So other people can follow and go in those. God, so that's God. He's leading the way, and He knows what is right for you. So I wanted to tell you about following in God's footprints. Kids' word of the day: Holy Ghost, no pain.